Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2012 Scion XD. To begin this project, you would need a 10mm socket with a wrench, or just the 10mm wrench itself. We're going to take out the battery bracket we just did right here to demonstrate. Once you get that battery bracket off, now we will proceed with a 10mm socket to take off the negative and the positive terminals. You can identify your positive terminal because it has the red cap over it. That's your positive. And also too, your negative is also known as your ground is too. So we're going to take off the ground first. Then once you do that, you want to proceed and do the exact same thing with your positive terminal. Now guys, if you don't have a 10mm socket set, you can use a wrench if you don't have the socket set. So, but you do need a 10mm though. So once you get that positive terminal off, we should be able to grab this battery directly out of this vehicle right here. And it's your first time visiting Battery Guyz Nation, and we're adding great added value today to show you a shortcut with ease how to install your battery. We just ask for a thumbs up to help push this YouTube channel into the algorithm, to help other people as well that could help them install this battery as well, the 2012 Scion XD. Likewise, besides installing this auto batteries on the channel, we show you the whole recycling process of how we recycle 45,000 pounds, which is a semi-truck load every 2 weeks of junk batteries, believe it or not. And we take these batteries, we actually remanufacture these batteries right here at the facility here and give customers up to a 2-year warranty and install them back into the customer's car as well. Half the price and go to your national auto part place as well, guys. You can visit our website at batteryguyz.com to learn more about us as well. We have been featured on several TV shows. Most recently was on the Bloomberg Network, the world's greatest TV show as the world's greatest battery reconditioner, guys. Today we're installing this battery back into this 2012 Scion as the world's best reconditioned battery. We're going to go ahead and connect the positive terminal first and use your 10mm socket or wrenches to tighten up that bolt. Turn it clockwise until you feel it tighten. Now you proceed on to your negative terminal, which is also known as the ground. That's the black wire. You want to go ahead as well and connect that terminal to that post as well. We're going to go ahead and install this battery bracket back down onto this vehicle. So you want to make sure you get that hook underneath that battery bracket itself. You will see underneath the box, it's a little hole. That's what this mat is looking for. It's looking for that hole where you can hook that hook underneath. And once you get that hook underneath, then you'll be able to push down on that top part of that battery. Like he's finding the hook, so now he can go ahead and tighten it up with this 10mm. Okay, like we got the battery installed, and this is installing battery in the 2012 Scion XD.